Back at Royalton Antigua Resort and Spa, we're going to see a Diamond Club Junior Suite Bay and Ocean View. Now, not all of them have the ocean view like this one because this is on the top floor. So keep that in mind. When you book with us, get a better chance because we will request it with our contacts. Everything, nothing can be guaranteed, but I can get a good request. I do have wonderful people I work with at Royalton. And that's why we're here, because we enjoy Royalton as a company. We like the way they listen, they respond, and they take good care of us as travel agents. So here you see, nice doubles, just like the swim room pretty much. Towel rack, you got your bowls, your amenities, but like I said, you're particular about shampoo and conditioner. Bring your own. Closet, we'll do this quick because it's pretty much the same. A nice little suitcase holder. You got the mini fridge. And when you book with us, we'll go over how the drinking and the Diamond Club privileges go, okay? And that'll get stocked. You'll tell me your preferences and stuff like that. We'll tell you about your liquor allocations and stuff. King bed, that is a sofa bed, this little thing, so that sleeps like one person. So that's why these rooms are for 3 people, okay? This is a beautiful view because we're on the top floor. What you have is a bay right here, and then you have Deep Bay Beach to the left. Is that a herring? I don't know. Don't be wrong. Somebody yell it. So there's this kids splash zone. The pools are right behind those cabanas. Those are cabanas that you can rent out with jacuzzi, like plunge pool jacuzzis. And Deep Bay, and then our bungalows are over there to the left. And we've got beautiful views all around of the fort, bay, beach, the ocean, the Bay Beach, and then the bay here. And this is gonna be like a harbor, I guess, in the future.
A marina, yeah.
Marina or something, yeah. So very beautiful. It's a good place, and Royalton is good value. It's a good product at a good price with good, it's well-run product. You know, it's affordable. I find affordable. Diamond Club, I believe, is worth it. So, Shawn, Amanda, KVS Travel. We're at the Royalton Antigua Resort and Spa. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the button to get my notifications. Always book with me. We bring you these videos, and we bring you our skills and our knowledge and all our service at no extra charge. There we are. Here's the Diamond Club section. There's the bay. And right here's the ocean. There's the Diamond Club hot tub, jacuzzi. Beachfront, the swimming pool. There's the beach. It's a nice beach. And there's the cabanas. Good, how are you? So, just run for like $95 a day. And then you get a little coupon for like $25 off. And we are going to attempt to walk up to that fort up there on top of the hill. If Amanda doesn't complain too much. But we're going to do it. I'm going to push her through it. And here, they have this going on every day. How late are you gonna be open till? Look at her. Look at this is head chef over here in this barbecue section. How, till 2 o'clock?
Say to me.
3 o'clock. All right, she's gonna take good care of you, I promise.
It was gonna be 2, but now 3.
There's a little bar over here. Security man right here. Let's see if a man can do that. Here she comes, look all calm and cool. Yay! Man, this is good. I just want to show you where we're walking to. I want to give you an idea of the ocean. It's a little bit of a next level ocean here in Antigua. Do you agree with it?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah, we have a lot of nice oceans in Antigua. Like I live here. Antigua does. It's a step up. So I just want to show the clarity. See that fort up there on the hill? That's where we're gonna walk up to there. Get a view of that. It's got nice little waves. This is the Caribbean Sea. Caribbean Sea or Caribbean Sea? I like Caribbean. You see how clear that is. So we'll get a view from the top. The nice thing about the Royalton Antigua is there's hiking. Like it's not on a crazy beach where there's all the hotels. Hiking, and here's the bay. And look at that water, people. Look at that water as it goes from the harbor. Is it a harbor? Is that what that is? The bay?
That's the bay.
The bay into the ocean. Look at this beautiful ocean. There's a bridge here. People riding their bikes over to here. You can hike. You're gonna hike up that fort right there. Somebody's on top of it right now. Up there on the fort. And right here's a path. We're gonna go up there next. But I mean, a lot of people like to go hiking and do stuff to break up the day. So a lot of people like to go hiking, break up the beach thing, just get a little exercise after they eat and drink maybe too much. So here you go. Here's out to the ocean. It's a little windy. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm trying to protect it there. But look at that beautiful water going out in there. There's probably some good, I mean, what do you call that, pebble? What's that over there? Puddles, little pools.
Tide pools.
Tide pools, you know, to see little crabs and different things. Good snorkeling around these edges. Always good snorkeling. That's a little rough here, so I don't recommend snorkeling here. Because those waves will push you into some rocks. Unless you're highly experienced. Look at that rock. We're going to go up there, climb up there. And over there is the resort. Right there is a resort, and it extends from there all the way to down here. So Shawn, KVS Travel, Amanda, subscribe to our YouTube. Look at the herons or whatever out there. And we'll see you at the fort. There's a view part of the way up. I just had to turn around and take a video of it. It's gorgeous. So we're going up there. Looks easy. It's not. Another updated view as we walk up to the fort. And look at the colors. And here's a beautiful view of the Royalton. And our bungalow right there, the second one in. This is something that most resorts and other trips in the all-inclusive world can't offer, is hiking right off of the property. Another view. I love watching the waves crash in. I mean, they're not, I know this isn't the Bonsai pipeline, but look at that. Just a stunning view. Some people going down. It's really nice right here. This reminds me of Big Sur right here. You made it.
Made it.
Look at the view. It's worth it. You can get a guide for this too. I think they do a walk up here at 9:30 in the morning. We had business to do, so we couldn't do it. But here's your view from up at the fort. And that's Deep Bay Beach, Royalton Antigua. It'll be quite a good hotel in about a few months. I still got some stuff to finish tweaking on.
You can do it in here without wind.
I'm gonna do it in here without wind.
Look at that picture.
Wow. Okay, let's show. Yeah. I mean, I don't know what year this fort is. I'm gonna find out. But look at this. I walked. Look how short everybody was. Because I'm not even tall. And I don't even think it's 6 foot. I'm gonna bend my head a little bit. Look at this. To another room. Wow, I don't know about that room. Wow, going up the fort. Going higher. Huh?
It's amazing. You gotta turn around and look at the roof.
Yeah. This is what I'm walking up through. That's the roof of like the storage cellars or something. Somebody's flag flew on there. I believe this was English, but you know, they changed hands so many times. Yeah. So my wife thinks it might be some French. What makes you think French?
I don't know, you can't really see. G-U-L-U.
Huh.
It's hard to see.
Yeah, we'll get an answer on what this is called. Should know. I'm gonna go up top. Wow, goats come up here. Little terrace up here. How about this? And I'm sure if you have enough money, you can have a wedding up here. Right? You have enough money to pay people to bring up everything you need. I'm sure somebody would arrange a wedding high above Antigua, an old guardhouse or something there. Look at this, it's beautiful.
There's more like iron stuff in the ground.
More iron stuff, like hinges and holds. Who knows if they had a ladder thing going down there or
Pipe. It's like for a pipe.
like a pipe. But look at the views. And the flagpole. I don't know how old that flagpole is because it's wood. You think it would. Here's some more chains. I mean, the history of when the West was pretty new. 1600s, maybe 1700s, I don't know. Somebody ought to redo that plaque. But it must do. Climb up to the fort. And you can walk all the way out to the tip if you want. But there is Royalton Antigua. Royalton Resort Spa Antigua with the overwater bungalows. And over there, that's Galley Bay. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Shawn, Amanda, KVS Travel. Subscribe, hit the notification button. Use this for all your travel needs. 610-334-1917. A little spin of a little island out there.